Hey guys, today I will show you how to get Earth Crystal in Monster Hunter World. Earth Crystal is a mining material. You get it from mining outcrops, not from monsters. The best place to farm Earth Crystal is the Wild Spire Waste. It can drop as a rare reward from mining outcrops in areas 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, and 13. Each mining spot gives a chance for Earth Crystal drop when it appears. Since it is a rare drop, you may need to mine several outcrops before you see one. Try this mining route for faster Earth Crystal farming. Useful tip: go on an expedition when the map has boosted mining outcrops. You will have more active mining nodes, which means better luck and faster Earth Crystal farming overall. And that's how to get Earth Crystal in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.